and sweet. C is for cup, where we drink and eat. C is for car, zooming away. C is for cow, mooing all day.
The letter C, let's spell and sing with me.
Yeah. C is for cake, oh so yum. C is for crab, pinch with thumb. C is for cap, wear it on your head. C is for cloud floating overhead.
The letter C, learning words is so easy.
A is for corn, yellow and bright. C is for candle, shining at night. C is for cone, full of ice cream. C is for castle, like in a dream.
Clap with me, say those sounds so happily.
C is for coat, when it gets cold. C is for coin, so shiny and bold. C is for cactus, spiky and green. C is for camera, smile on the screen.